So BJP's National President JP Nadda is conducting door-to-door campaign in Gujarat, and this comes ahead of the much anticipated Gujarat polls. So BJP National President JP Nadda is conducting door-to-door campaign in Gujarat ahead of the Gujarat polls. My colleague Nikhil joining us for more details on this. Nikhil, over to you.
Well, Anjali, this is not the Gujarat. In fact, we are reporting from the national capital Delhi. Ward number 64, Keshavpuram, is the area where BJP National President JP Nadda has started door-to-door campaigning ahead of the MCD election, and he has come here to, seek votes for his support. In fact, he has shown his support for the BJP candidate, Mr. Yogesh Verma. So there is this back-to-back program in the national capital Delhi because this is the last Sunday ahead of the MCD elections. On 4th of December, the Delhi voters are going to poll for the civic body election which are set to take place, and also there is different programs which have been lined up for all the senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. There are 70 plus big prominent leaders including MP, MLAs and all the big leaders. They are going to reach out to the and in the visuals, you can clearly see that BJP National President JP Nadda, he has started his door-to-door campaign. He is reaching out to the public. This is the mass reach out of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, there are other leaders as well who have been told that they have to attend PM's Mann Ki Baat as well at about 11 a.m. We are going to see that JP Nadda as well at different ward. He will be hearing Pradhan Mantri's popular show, flagship show, Mann Ki Baat, with all the workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is the struggle, this is the campaigning mode which is done by the leaders of the BJP. Remember, only few days are left for the MCD polls. Delhiites are going to poll on 4th of December, the results for which are going to be out on 7th of December. And the Bharatiya Janata Party is the incumbent party. It has been leading the, in fact, it is managing the corporation for 15 years now, and there are many of the corruption charges as well, for the MCD. But now there's this tough fight which we are going to see each and every day. We are seeing that new allegations are being made against each other, but somewhere or the other, BJP has been able to set the narrative. If you remember, Anjali, in the month of April, the schedule was supposed to be out for the MCD election, but because of the unification of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, the polls were deferred. But in the last 7 to 8 months, if you remember, the Bharatiya Janata Party has been somewhere or the other has been able to change the narrative, because measure of the scams, measure of the corruption allegations on the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, particularly for their ministers, it is done in last 7 to 8 months only. So on one side, where the leaders were fearing that because of the successful win of the Aam Aadmi Party in the state of Punjab, somewhere or the other it is going to hit the BJP in the MCD polls, that narrative has been changed by the BJP leaders in these states. So these are the visuals. Clearly you can see many of the workers. In fact, Member of Parliament Harshvardhan, Dr. Harshvardhan as well, who is the former health minister, he is also along with JP Nadda, and there are many of the workers, many of the local councillors as well who are accompanying the national president in the door-to-door campaigning. So there are other leaders as well. In fact, there are many of the chief ministers as well who have been directed to go out to the masses, because as we have mentioned, Anjali, that this is the last Sunday, this is the last big effort which is being made by both the parties. So these are the visuals you are seeing from ward number 64. Keshavpuram is the area. This falls near the Wazirpur Industrial Place. So clearly there is a security deployment as well. Many of the leaders, many of the workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party have gathered here in huge number, and clearly the BJP national president, he also in no mood to leave no stone unturned. In fact, we have seen that a few days back as well, he held a huge road show in the Sangam Vihar area to seek vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party, and now he has started his door-to-door campaigning. And as per the given details by the leaders of the party, we have been told that at 10:55 a.m., that means in a short while from now, he will be in different ward to listen to Pradhan Mantri's Mann Ki Baat program, and at about 4 p.m. today he is also expected to address a huge Jan Sabha in the national capital Delhi. So BJP leader, BJP national president is here, MPs, MLAs have been here, and also the chief ministers of the BJP ruled state, they have also been directed to remain here. Clearly the mass reach out is what we can say is being done. This is the Super Sunday for the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they are meeting each and every voter in this particular ward. Yogesh Verma is the person who is going to, to be the BJP candidate, and you can see BJP National President JP Nadda, he is handing over some of the pamphlets to the voters here, and this is the slum area. Anjali, where the JP Nadda, BJP National President, he has been reaching out, and clearly the mass reach out. In fact, he is giving some of the pamphlets to the women voters as well, and this is the view that we are seeing on the Super Sunday. Okay. BJP National President here. Back to you, Anjali.
Right, Nikhil. So that was BJP National President JP Nadda conducting door-to-door campaign in the national capital ahead of the MCD polls.